Hey everyone, this is an introduction to the close read. Make connections between sentences and paragraphs. So the focus of this one is how the text is organized. Um, we have the different types of organization, cause and effect, sequencing, all that come into play in this lesson. So you're going to be focusing on that as you read. Now, a little bit of heads up: this is a very wordy text. Has a lot of written text, not very many pictures that go along with this one. So be prepared to do a lot of reading. It might be a good idea to have a little notepad sitting next to you, taking notes on the structure of the text as you're reading. Um, and focusing on not just what the text is about, but how it is organized. So the we're going to break it down again into 3 different days, at least 3 different days. Day one is going to be your introduction, your close read number one, which is read to understand. And the big question for that is, how were some popular foods invented? This text is rather interesting in that it describes different texts, or excuse me, different foods that you've probably eaten and how they were invented. And it's interesting to see that a lot of these were simply mistakes, or maybe the inventor wanted to do something else and uh, and accidentally created something tasty. So the read number one will be, how were some popular foods invented? And then read number two, that's of course the one where you are assessed. That is the read to analyze, and your focus on that is, how have people turned accidents into successful products? Okay. Lots and lots of questions on organization. So you're searching for those signal words. That tell you how the text is organized. Okay. And then, of course, the third read is the read to write. And the big question for that is, what does it take to be a good inventor? You're going to be focusing on maybe some traits. Of a good inventor, or what it takes. And you'll find that as you read through this, sometimes being a good inventor might just mean that you're lucky. A lot of these foods were created because of a mistake. So maybe to be a good inventor, it means that you have to be a little bit lucky. All right, so remember, 3 days minimum. Okay. Read to understand one day, read to analyze, as a minimum one day. You could probably break that into 2 days, and then read to write is the focus on the last day. All right, good luck.